I don't know why they say never work with kids or animals.
Bring him over, Sergeant. Good.
No, John.
Oh, right, yeah, because of that.
Darling.
She looks like a Bond girl. Yeah, not so much skyfall as sandfall. And finally, posing for the perfect selfie is a real skill. One which this woman does not have. Time now to take a peek inside my toolbox, where we'll find the absolute crème de la crème of idiots. It was Albert Einstein who once said, "Two things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity." And as these clips show, he was at least half right. First off, you can find all sorts of things in rivers: fish, plants, shopping trolleys, and of course, plonkers on quad bikes. I've heard of Old Man River, but never Stupid Man River. Someone should tell this guy he doesn't need to catch the bus. He's already got a working motorbike. Well, he did have. Here's a guy having a bit of trouble getting his motorbike onto the back of his pickup truck.
No!
That's it, mate. Whip that fleece off and you're sorted. That's great. All done. And now you can drive yourself to hospital. For any young people watching, this is a DVD store, and this guy's getting a film out. What is it, Karate Kid? Fight Club? Nope, Wreck-It Ralph. Now, I don't know about you, but I find the best place to practice my gymnastic skills is in the kitchen. Of course, doing a handstand is a bit like making a souffle. It could collapse at any minute. Here we have a grown man on skates on a kid's slide.
Oh my God!
Yup, that went exactly as I thought it would. And finally, they say every failure is a learning tool. So hopefully this guy has just learnt to be a bit less of a tool.